After you do that first round of notes, you may be wondering, why is this called you can't always get what you want? For some of you, you think you can, but you can't. There's a famous song. You can look that up and see who sang it. What we can do, though, we always would like to have the radius, because if we have the radius, you can find anything. You can manipulate this, not unlike how some of you manipulate your parents, to get what you want. So we start with. We always start out with some kind of information. So the whole key is, do you know what the area is? Do you know what the formula for area? Do you know what diameter? And do you know what radius are? You have to recognize those terms. So right here, we know the area. So I'm going to go to this problem and say, okay, I have the area. I need to get the radius. The way I do that is I take out area and I put in the formula that's equal to area. So I end up getting pi r squared equals 120. Okay, now I need to solve this for r just like we did before. We want to find r. So I'm going to divide by pi. 120 divided by pi is 38.2. Now the difference here is that's not my radius. I have to undo this squared. And the way you undo a squared is take the square root. So the square root of 38.2 is 6.2. So the radius is 6.2, or 6.18 if we're staying with hundredths. That's 6.18 when I did the square root there. Didn't answer the question yet, though. The question says find the circumference. So this is just a way to get to the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Once I have the radius, I get what I want. So 6.18 times 2 times pi, 38.83.